Are you tired of seeing dust particles dance across your beautiful hardwood floors every time sunlight streams through your windows? Do you find yourself constantly battling scratches and scuffs from using the wrong cleaning tools? Have you been wondering which vacuum will actually protect your investment while delivering a truly clean floor? Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best vacuums specifically designed for hardwood floors. Let's dive right in. 7. Tineco Floor 1 S5 Steam Corded Wet Dry Vacuum. The Tineco Floor 1 S5 Steam represents an interesting approach to hardwood floor cleaning with its combination of steam cleaning and wet-dry vacuum functionality. During my testing, I found that this machine does offer some impressive features for tackling sticky messes on hardwood floors. The S5 Steam comes equipped with iLoop smart sensor technology that automatically detects messes and adjusts suction power, roller speed, and water flow accordingly. This feature worked surprisingly well during my tests, especially when dealing with dried spills. The vacuum also offers 3 cleaning modes: suction only, regular, and max mode for tougher messes, giving you versatility depending on the cleaning task. One aspect I appreciated was the self-cleaning function. After cleaning, you can dock the device on the charging base and start the self-cleaning cycle with the push of a button, which ensures the brush roll stays clean for the next use. This is particularly helpful if you're dealing with pet hair or sticky substances that might otherwise get trapped in the brush. However, I did encounter some limitations with the S5 Steam. Despite its name suggesting cordless convenience, this is actually a corded model, which restricts movement around larger spaces. The unit is also quite bulky compared to traditional vacuums, making it cumbersome to maneuver in tighter spaces. I found myself struggling to reach corners effectively, often needing to switch to a regular mop for those areas. Number 6. Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum. The Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro presents itself as a versatile option for hardwood floor cleaning with its corded stick design. During my testing, I found this vacuum to be reasonably effective at picking up debris from bare floors, though with some notable limitations. One of the standout features of the Shark Rocket is its ability to convert from a stick vacuum to a handheld unit, which proved useful for cleaning stairs and furniture. The vacuum comes with LED headlights on the floor head, which actually made a significant difference in spotting dust and debris on hardwood floors that would otherwise be invisible. I was also impressed with the XL dust cup capacity, which meant fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions. The Shark Rocket's performance on hardwood floors was generally good, with strong suction that picked up most dust and smaller debris effectively. The vacuum is relatively lightweight at under 9 pounds, making it easier to maneuver around furniture than some bulkier models. I particularly appreciated the specialized pet attachments, which worked well for removing pet hair from both floors and upholstery. However, I did encounter some frustrations with the Shark Rocket during testing. The corded design limits mobility, with a cord length of just over 25 feet that often required switching outlets when moving between rooms. The vacuum also struggled with larger debris on hardwood floors, often pushing cereal and similar-sized items around rather than sucking them up. Number 5. Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner offers a solid combination of functionality and value for hardwood floor cleaning. During my testing, I found this upright vacuum to be surprisingly effective on bare floors, despite being marketed heavily toward pet owners and carpet cleaning. The CleanView features a multi-cyclone suction design that maintained consistent power throughout my cleaning sessions. What impressed me was the triple-action brush roll with scatter-free technology, which prevented debris from being scattered across hardwood surfaces, a common problem with many upright vacuums. The edge-to-edge cleaning design allowed me to get remarkably close to baseboards without needing to switch to attachments. One of the most convenient features is the automatic cord rewind, which saves time and frustration when storing the vacuum. With a 27-foot power cord, I could clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. The swivel steering made navigating around furniture much easier than I expected from an upright model, and at 16 pounds, it's manageable to carry between floors when needed. The vacuum comes with several specialized attachments, including pet tools that proved effective at removing hair from both floors and upholstery. I found the dirt tank easy to empty with its one-button release system, and the washable filters help keep recurring costs to a minimum. The vacuum's performance on hardwood floors was consistently good, capturing 99% of smaller debris like sugar and rice in my tests. Number 4. Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner proved to be a pleasant surprise during my testing, offering exceptional performance on hardwood floors in a lightweight, maneuverable package. This canister vacuum weighs just over 8 pounds, making it one of the most portable options I tested. What immediately stood out was the WhirlWind's impressive suction power on bare floors. It excelled at picking up fine debris like sand and sugar, capturing virtually everything in a single pass. The vacuum features an integrated airflow control on the handle that can be easily adjusted at your fingertips, allowing you to reduce suction when needed for delicate areas or increase it for more stubborn debris. The multi-surface capabilities of this vacuum are enhanced by its floor head design, which includes retractable bristles. In position 1, the bristles extend for hard floors, while position 2 retracts them for carpeted surfaces. This simple foot-controlled adjustment worked seamlessly during testing, making transitions between different flooring types effortless. The swivel steering and telescoping metal wand further enhanced maneuverability, allowing me to clean under furniture without straining. Maintenance is straightforward with the WhirlWind's bagless design and washable filters, essentially eliminating recurring costs. The 2.5-liter dust container is generously sized for a vacuum of this class, and the one-button release system makes emptying quick and mess-free. The automatic cord rewind feature worked reliably, though I did find the cord length somewhat limiting at times. 3. Nadali Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Nadali Cordless Vacuum Cleaner represents an excellent balance of power, convenience, and versatility for hardwood floor cleaning. During my extensive testing, this stick vacuum consistently impressed me with its performance and thoughtful design features. The standout feature of the Nadali is its powerful 550-watt motor that delivers exceptional suction on hardwood surfaces. In my testing, it effortlessly picked up everything from fine dust to larger debris without scattering particles across the floor. The vacuum's lightweight design, under 6.5 pounds, made it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces, while the cordless functionality eliminated the hassle of managing power cords during cleaning sessions. Battery life exceeded my expectations, providing approximately 35 minutes of cleaning time on the standard setting, which was sufficient to clean my entire main floor in one session. The vacuum features multiple power modes, allowing you to conserve battery for lighter cleaning tasks or boost suction for more stubborn debris. The LED headlights on the cleaning head proved surprisingly useful for spotting dust and pet hair on hardwood floors that would otherwise be invisible. I was particularly impressed with the anti-tangle brush roll design, which prevented hair from wrapping around the brush, a common problem with many stick vacuums. The vacuum converts easily to a handheld unit for cleaning furniture, stairs, and other above-floor surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning tool beyond just hardwood floors. 2. Kenmore 600 Series Friendly Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. The Kenmore 600 Series Bagged Canister Vacuum represents a significant step up in quality and performance for hardwood floor cleaning. During my thorough testing, this vacuum consistently delivered exceptional results on bare floors with features that specifically cater to hardwood protection and cleaning efficiency. The standout feature of the Kenmore 600 series is its dedicated hardwood floor attachment with soft bristles that effectively capture dust and debris without risking scratches on delicate surfaces. The vacuum's powerful suction easily lifted everything from fine dust to larger debris in my testing, leaving hardwood floors noticeably cleaner than many competitors. The bag design provides excellent filtration, trapping dust and allergens effectively rather than recirculating them into the air. Maneuverability is enhanced by the vacuum's three-wheel design and swivel steering capability, allowing it to navigate around furniture with ease. The telescoping wand provided excellent reach for cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces without straining. I particularly appreciated the variable suction control, which allowed me to adjust power based on the cleaning task. Higher for deep cleaning and lower for more delicate surfaces or area rugs. The Kenmore 600 series includes a comprehensive set of attachments that enhance its versatility, including a motorized pet PowerMate tool that works wonders for removing pet hair from upholstery. The automatic cord rewind feature, while somewhat slow, eliminated the hassle of manually winding the cord after cleaning sessions. Number 1. Miele Boost CX1 Parquet Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Miele Boost CX1 Parquet Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner stands as the undisputed champion for hardwood floor cleaning after my extensive testing. This premium vacuum combines German engineering excellence with thoughtful design features specifically tailored for hardwood floor protection and cleaning efficiency. The CX1 Parquet's most impressive feature is its specialized Parquet twister floor head, which features soft natural bristles that glide gently across hardwood surfaces while effectively capturing dust and debris. During testing, this floor head demonstrated superior pickup performance on hardwood floors, removing fine dust particles that other vacuums missed entirely. The 180-degree rotation capability allowed me to navigate around furniture legs and into tight corners with unprecedented ease. Suction power is where the Miele truly distinguishes itself from competitors. The Vortex motor delivers exceptional airflow that effectively captures debris without requiring multiple passes. The 4 power settings can be easily adjusted via a simple dial control, allowing precise customization based on the surface being cleaned. I found the lowest setting perfect for delicate area rugs, while the highest setting provided deep cleaning for more stubborn debris. The bagless design of the CX1 eliminates recurring costs while maintaining Miele's reputation for excellent filtration. The Hygiene Lifetime Filter captures 99.98% of dust particles, making this an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. There you have it, my comprehensive review of the 7 best vacuums for hardwood floors currently available. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly efficiency or premium performance, there's an option here to meet your specific needs. Remember that investing in the right vacuum for your hardwood floors not only ensures cleaner living spaces, but also helps protect and preserve your flooring investment for years to come.